things certainly picked up in the second and third periods. Ang major difference lang was Quezon outscoring Muntinlupa by 10 in the second frame. Kapanal, same spot, same result. Another 3 knocked down by Gab.
And 9 points already for Gab Banal. That middle spot on the 3-point land is really one of his favorites, especially if he gets a good look on it.
Skuran nakalusot pero hindi makakonvert. Cyrus Tabi picks off the pass. They swing it, Kapanal again. No this time. Rebound, Jeric Serrano. Miranda, pinasa malabas kay Jeric Serrano. He hits a 3, top of the key. Seven-point lead, 72-65. Both teams shooting at a high clip from the outside. Kapanal, susubok ulit. Back-to-back misses.
Yeah, they're leaving him wide open despite making back-to-back 3-pointers from that middle spot.
Miranda sumugod. Ayaw gumapang paloob ng bola. Tabi. Quite a frenetic pace to begin the fourth. Well played for Mapua. Serrano in traffic, can't finish. Maraming salamat sa Extreme, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Christian Pagaran lays it up and in, back to a double-digit spread for the Huskers.
What an athletic move there by Christian Pagaran on that left side, fading to the left with the right-hand finish.
Serrano, pangalawang tres. Galing kay Jeric Serrano.
Moments that it's gonna look like they're gonna get back into this ball game, then they're gonna commit turnovers such as that, which kills their momentum.
Joshua Hierro, no. Josh Alcantara going up for the board. Apreku whips it to MJ De La Vergen. Spins, takes the free. Short. Secret na lang namin yun. Chris Lalata. Pinasahan si Abate. Diego Dario for 3. Gets it to go. Josh Alcantara, pasa kay Miranda. Apreku. MJ, gustong bawiin yung tres. Short.
Short again.
Miranda, pull up J, wala pa din. Fight for the rebound, ending up with Seth Manzano. Diego Dario. Manzano swings it to Abate. Lalata, challenged by Apreku. At may foul, laban kay Vince Tolentino. Wow. Because you have a pair of lefties, Seth Manzano, Will Macaloni, nandiyan din si Chris Lalata. We'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. As to Macaloni. Abate. To Will Mac, guarded by JP Belenchon. Trying to tough it out. Macaloni, hook shot is good. Total of 9 points for Will Mac. Belenchon, pasa kay MJ De La Vergen with a pull-up jumper. Muntinlupa sticking close, down by just 10. Abate on the left side. Hierro puts it on the deck. Balik kay John Abate, bubukol sa tres. Bad close out by Apreku, giving up
Or 6'3", 6'4", to 6'5". But now we got players, young players who are 6'8", 6'9", 6'10".
Belenchon banks it home from downtown. Lead down to 8. 11 points for JP Belenchon. Diego Dario Makes his move on MJ De La Vergen. Fades away. Short. Macaloni snares down the rebound. Wilmac wants this matchup against Vince Tolentino. Manzano lost it. Turnover. No! It will stay with Quezon. Tabi sends it to Manzano. Wow! They do beat the buzzer.
Ganda nung
Dalawang pasa yun.
ganda ng play na dinaro up doon ni Coach Eric. Big to big, lefty to lefty.
Pasturan, bahagyang na libre. Can't convert from downtown. Macaloni almost lost it. Back to Abate. Cyrus Tabi from mid-range, no go. Tolentino the rebound. We'd like to thank MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Jim Boy sees daylight, lays it up and in. Grab the offensive rebound. We are down to our last 2 minutes of our ball game. Agawan sa bola, Manzano on the deck. Gives it up. Cyrus Tabi in a foot race. Giving chase. Apreco, but no dice. Tabi with a basket plus a foul.
What a finish there. Some heavy contact.
Nangyari dun.
Coming off that stop. Grabe, full sprint na si Flex. Hindi na nga niya nakita na shoot yung bola eh.
Credit Apreco for not giving up, but against Cyrus, that could be the ball game right there. Pasturan. Give and go with Corteza. Apreco, they will give him that shot.
Yeah.
And that's why.
If you're Quezon, that's a very, very good defensive possession. If you have a shot of that quality, it's a win for your team.
Sent Manzano. Dapat kay Miggy Corteza. Bounce pass. Macaloni pumwersa sa loob.
Ginamitan na ng braso ni Wilmac yun.
But what do you like most so far on what you've seen here, at least in this ball game?
I really like the combination of the bigs that they have here today. Where obviously you got another end one play by Cyrus Tabi.
Hindi nagka...
Very interesting. I really like the mixture that Coach Eric and the Quezon Huskers did with trying to recruit their big men for the season.
Ibang-iba na tong team na ito eh. Okay, so...
Yep.
At wag natin kalimutan, di lang nag-suit up today, Cholo Manansala. That's also a guy that could defend multiple positions today.
Yeah, definitely. With his height and his versatility, he's the type of player that can be switched 1 to 4. Isa pa, hindi naglalaro.
Sino ba?
Judel Fuentes, obviously.
Oo, syempre.
Mga star player nila.
But Muntinlupa, despite this impending loss, there were flashes of brilliance here. But they just couldn't sustain it, no? Daming times na kumakatok sila, just couldn't get over the hump.
Yeah.
And the Quezon Huskers,
Step back and kiss myself. Big time players make big time plays. Woo!